Hello and welcome. A couple of weeks ago I published a video demonstrating what happens when you play the trumpet under the influence of helium, and I had quite a lot of responses to that video. Had a lot of people that wanted to know what happens if you play the tuba under the influence of helium, and then I had a lot of people making fun of the way that I talk. So in this video I'm not going to be doing it myself. I'm instead going to be getting my cousin, who's just over from Scotland, to do the video for me, and he is going to demonstrate what happens when you play the tuba under the influence of helium. Thank you very much for the welcome. I'm here from Scotland to help Trent out. There are a lot of you who can't understand what he's saying, and because I speak a whole lot clearer, we thought this would be a good solution. So I've got the tank of helium here. It's actually a new tank because we ran out in the last video. I've got a tuba here in my lap, and I've got this tube that'll be running into my mouth. As in the last video, nothing comes out of the tank unless I give this helium sausage a tug. So the first test will be just to see what happens when I play a long note and then activate the helium. As you'll hear, that has quite a dramatic effect on how it sounds, and the pitch just keeps rising and rising the more helium that you put in. It gets very, very difficult to control. Next we'll play a series of notes and see what happens. Firstly, without helium. It's pretty much impossible to try and maintain a melody like that, so I'll just play a scale. So if you're wondering why this happens when you put helium into an instrument, the pitch rises, then you'll need to check out Trent's video he did a couple of weeks ago. It's almost unintelligible because of his thick accent, but hopefully you'll get the gist of it. Now I do still have some helium left over, so if there's anything you'd like me or Trent to try, then please write a comment down in the video's description below and we'll have a look at trying it out. Thanks for watching.